So here's the system behind all of it. I call it the 5-site flywheel because the diagram, as you can see right here, basically links together. All these 5 sites are helping each other rank. And a flywheel is a heavy wheel that's hard to get moving, but every push adds to the last one. And eventually it spins on its own. And that's exactly what the system is. One keyword and one real case study go in. Claude writes 5 different articles, different titles, different angles, different examples. They go out across 5 different websites the same day. Every article links to each other where relevant, and Google gets pinged the same hour, so it comes and looks straight away. And here's the flywheel bit. Every article creates fresh impression data, and that data reveals new keywords, and those keywords feed the next spins. Each push makes the next easier. And the great thing about this is you can just plug these keywords into Claude, into your agentic operating system, and then from there, it can actually create the content based on your keywords, based on your examples, and it creates fresh content. Plus, I'll show you later how to quality control this stuff so you can get good results like I do. But basically, more posts equals more impressions, more keywords, better targets, more traffic. Now, if we compare that to how most people do SEO, the gap is the whole point. So the old way is like one website, one article a day maximum. If you're quick, getting and guessing keywords from some tool that shows everyone the same keywords and the same numbers, then waiting weeks, if not months, if not years for Google to maybe notice. And then, for example, for link building, most people never start or even try, or they don't even know what link building is. And the new way is that you have 5 sites, 5 unique articles per keyword, keywords pulled in from your own Search Console data automatically, which are basically signals that nobody else can see, only you. And then also we get this content indexed within about 24 hours using Indexceptional and an API with that. Plus, we have 2 Claude accounts that actually run it all. So one's on my laptop if I'm traveling or if I'm not at the office, and another one is on my desktop. And it's like having a 2-person team creating SEO content, and that never sleeps, essentially. So we've got the same 24 hours a day, but we've got completely different outputs. And also what we've done is we've plugged in a system into Claude. So when we create content, it's pretty easy to just use that skill, improve that skill, and rinse and repeat it over and over again. Now, if you're wondering, okay, how does the 90-day roadmap work? So days 1 to 14 is the setup, right? The roadmap itself. So the first 2 weeks are all about setup. You got 5 small websites. We built them on 11T and put them live on Netlify. And if those names mean nothing to you, don't worry, it literally means nothing to me as well. Like I just got Claude set up for me. But basically, we host this content on Netlify. And then as you can see right here, we can create the content. So it's just like a fast way to build simple websites without WordPress, without plugins, without logging in. And the great thing about that is that I can't even log into these websites, which means that I stay super focused on what I want to do.